Alright, so now for us to set up this system, you guys want to make sure you click the link from the description down below, and once you do that, you're basically going to hit get model, and once you do that, it's going to show up right here in the toolbox the advanced day and night cycle. Click OK and drag this inside of the server script service. And just for the sake of this tutorial, so you guys don't have to wait that much, I'm just going to change this because this is how fast the time passes to something like 0.2, and the time wait, which is basically how fast the time passes. Like, this is just how fast the moon position changes. I'm just going to explain it later on in this video, so I'm just gonna hit play and let's see. And yes, as you can see, we got a full advanced day-night system. Like, let me just close this so we can have a closer look. And if you're paying close attention, you can actually see that the moon actually has 8 different phases, like all of the main phases. And yeah, it works. Alright, so the way the day-night cycle script works is quite simple. We just get a lining from the explorer right here, and if you were to play around with it inside of the studio and drag this, you can see you can get something like a day-night cycle, and that's basically what our script does. Oh, and in case you're wondering, no, this is just a sky moon, because I got this skybox from the toolbox. So yeah, that's on me. Actually forgot to reference this right here in the sky. Yeah, look at this. The moon texture ID and the sun texture ID, and yeah, we reference the sky from the lining, which basically is this the skybox. And we have some variables called clock time step. This is just how fast the moon moves, like how big is the jump inside of the clock time. Like right here, we're just going to jump with something like 2, like 0.02, like 72. And imagine the script is just doing this, but extremely fast. And that's what creates the illusion of there being a day-night cycle. Alright, and the time wait is just how fast this loop works. The lower the time wait, the smoother it is going to move. But I just recommend having it something like 0.016 in case you guys want, and the clock time step to 0.02. because this looks the best. Alright, and every time the current moon value changes, we just change the moon texture. Like, we got all 8 of the moon cycles. In case you guys want to replace, you just gotta go to the texture and you can actually just place your moon texture. I got this from the itch.io by a guy called Grinch. Alright, now, for me to explain how this one works, it's quite simple to understand. We get the game service, which is basically lining out here, and it has something called clock time. If you were to just modify it, you will see that the sun moves like very quickly. I'm just using my auto clicker right now, and that's basically what the script does. It modifies the clock time at a very fast rate inside of the loop right here called while. We just found a task function instead of just using rudder step, because we have more control on it. Like, we can have a test that wait and time wait. Basically what time wait is, it just delays how fast the movement, like how fast this clock time step actually increases. Like, if I were to change it like something like 0.02, you're basically going to have a faster day-night cycle. Now, the coolest part about this script is the fact that we provide 8 different moon phases. Like, right here we get a int value called moon, and it usually starts off with 0 because this is going to be the first moon phase. And inside of the folder right here, moon cycles, we have 8 different textures. Each one has the specified moon phase. Like, if I were to just change this to something like, I do not know, my thumbnail, you're soon going to see that it's going to work. Now, you just want to make sure that these textures are all numbers, because you needed them inside of this 4, because we just cycle through all of the script moon children, and once we get 2 names that are the same, like the value is the same as the it's actually we transform the name of the texture to an integer, and then we just check if they are both the same, if they are equal. Then we get that sky moon texture ID, something like. Alright, and then what we do is we check if the value is the same as this name to an integer. Like, if the value is equal to the texture's name, we just change the sky moon texture ID, which is right here. Like if I were to just change this, heck, I'm just gonna change the sun to something like, yeah, my tongue, because why not? Damn, that's ugly. This is basically what my script does. Like if you have a moon phase, oh yeah, as you can see, it changes. Instead of the sun, we're doing this for the moon. And the only thing you guys want to make sure you do, you reference the sky correctly and the lighting, because if you change this name, it's not going to work. Like if I were to rename it to something like Sky 21, oh my god, why do I keep getting 21 inside of my videos, man? Like this is just bad luck. Yeah, nothing happens because it's actually an infinite yield and it's not going to work. I hope I explained this good enough. See you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this content, and yeah, see you soon.